Toby's bell? Surely he can't still be at the scrapyard after all this time. Reg! Reg! Reg!
Oh, what is it, Toby?
You're making too much noise. Isn't there some way you could help me get an engine to stop?
No worries. When the next engine comes along, I'll pick up a brightly coloured piece of scrap and wave it about.
Oh, I get it. Like a red flag.
Exactly.
Reg, someone's coming. Wave your red flag.
Oh, okay. Right. Oh, Oops.
Oh!
Diesel fingers.
You know, Salty, every time I pass the scrapyard today, I've seen Toby.
Clarabelle saw Toby at the scrapyard as well. Didn't you, Clarabelle?
Yes, looking very sad and not being useful at all.
Poor Toby.
Poor old Toby.
That's it then. Oh, Toby is going to be scrapped.
No, Salty. That can't be true. Toby's far too useful to be scrapped.
Oh! Reg, I think there's another engine coming. Reg, no! What are you doing?
I'm lifting you up, so whoever's coming can see you when you call for help.
No, Reg, stop! Put me down!
Oh no, Salty was right. Old Toby is going to be scrapped.
Poor Toby.
I can't bear to look.
No, Reg, stop! Put me down! Oh!
That night, Thomas was still feeling upset about Hero's accident.
What's wrong, Thomas? Hero's broken, and it's all my fault. Hero's been broken before, but Hero comes from so far away. It's not easy to get the spare parts he needs.